The troubles of traveling. So everything was going good until somebody in a rush forgot to put their birthday right, apparently. Spent 20 minutes at that help desk over there for absolutely no reason. It is currently 5:51 and doors open at 6:20. This is why this video started with no words. Let's see, does it get better or does it get worse? Update, they changed this ticket, got the right birth date on there. God, about...
Lady got left?
No, the whales.
Oh, the whales. The whales.
Wow, they have an Omega store, Burberry, Montclair, waterfalls.
Oh, yeah.
Where do you see the... Oh my gosh. And I want a party room so bad. Okay, now peace sign again for the two. Hello. More airport.
I knew it was gonna be that. I don't know why you even tried it.
I thought it was gonna be something fancy on the out. Like, we made it out finally. It's been a long way.
Even after that, it's probably gonna be a highway outside.
Little dancing monkey, something. Something, you know, a little welcome parade. Oh, look, see? Greeting area. I see anything. Oh, wait. Oh my god. Yo, we just made it. The Uber left us. It's just so dark. There's raccoons outside and they're fucking big. 605 is that way?
Yeah, end of the block is 605.
So we gotta be going this way, right? Across the street. Yes, because there's raccoons in this way. Guess what? Did you see that? No.
I'm used to cats in New York, they just be out and about. I'm like, yeah.
Absolutely not a cat. I'm just making so much noise. What does that say on there? No, on the building. On the house. 638? Oh, right here. Yeah, yeah.
Really?
638 right here.
Okay, I have to do the backwards. Oh shit.
To the back?
Yeah, go to the right.
Oh. Why the fuck do they have the window open? 6:42. Yeah, I was just saying that. I thought it, no, in my head. I thought it was gonna be this little shed. Okay. MTV, welcome to our crib. Thank you. Okay. This is cute. There's a key. What's this? Just a door. Nice little bathroom. Okay. Thank you, I appreciate that. Oh, I got so scared. I'm like, where the fuck does this door lead to? But it's just a closet. Like, I literally got so scared.
I think they cut this house up pretty crazy.
Yeah, they did.
I'm not mad about it though.
I'm not. This is real cute. And it's gonna do what it's supposed to for the next 2 days.
Alright. Wife's on anyone now. 5 years of business.
It looks like just socks. So we found some McDonald's. Go us. Oh, hold on.
Tesla.
Found some McDonald's. Go us. Frappe, frappin'. Smoothie, smoothin'.
Fries, potato wings.
Fries, potato in. It's what time is it right now?
It is 12:59.
It's 12:59 p.m. Canadian time. Oh my gosh, you can actually see the stars. We're on our way to go find some goodies, but it's just
We've left the sit area and we're now
in the hood.
a more questionable area.
What the fuck is that?
That's out.
Recording for our safety. It says we're 6 minutes away.
Okay.
I just love how empty it is. This was how New York was looking middle of the pandemic. So if they're still like this 2 years later, God bless their soul.
Dive into the night, out of sight.
Okay, so good morning. It is the second day. I woke up a while ago. I completely forgot about recording, but here we have Eddie taking advantage of his work from anywhere perks. Cool. We're gonna be getting ready soon and heading to a little cafe so that we're not just cooped up in here, and explore downtown Vancouver a little bit longer. I need to figure out what's wrong with my SD card. We're gonna go get it figured out at the coffee shop though, but so far so good. We even talked to strangers in McDonald's, which was really cool. She was very, very nice. I'm trying to do my hair so that we can get out of here. Had a little braid out. This is the final look. My GoPro is sliding down very slow. Okay. I'm gonna show you the outside in a little bit. Okay, so this is our little B&B in the daytime, because yesterday was extremely dark. We couldn't see anything. I'm gonna go take you guys to the out and show you guys around. They have a nice little shed here. I think everyone does though. I'm not sure why, but this will be the front of the home. We're staying towards the back side, so it is so quiet, like quietest thing I've ever been to so far. But this is what the out is looking like. We're gonna go to the cafe in a few and just work from a cafe, because we don't want to be stuck in our B&B all day. Tomorrow we have some activities. I gotta figure out my hair situation, but this is what it's gonna be looking like for the day. detour or like detour. The healing garden. Do you feel healed? Do you feel healed?
I feel lighter. I like how we came across it that naturally.
Something's in the bush.
I want you here forever. I want you when you say I want you.
New York.
I grew up in Jersey.
Oh.
I'm from Jersey.
Yeah. Oh, really? What part?
Failed.
Okay, I'm from Park Ridge. You're you can say.
How long have you been?
Listen, I won't think of what it is. Not that I see your face. Not in the crowd, I just want you. I want you here forever. Come on me now, come on me. Come on me now, come on me, come on me now. Come on me, come on me now. Come on me, come on me now.
Oh, so legendary. Oh, so legendary.
Fork.